All right, Crouton and Ramon's House of Math playing with sevens. Let's start at the beginning here. Well, the first picture I took. We had built quite a few sevens here, and every time he puts one down or makes it part of his creation or his building or his skyscraper or whatever he's doing, counted a seven. So then he started playing and having fun here, and what happened was, look at Pasoes. He has this seven sticking out, and you can see that there's three there and one more there. So that seven is sticking out by three, and he put this on there, to make it a cool building. But as soon as he put it on there, of course, because it's at the end and because it's a fulcrum, and we mentioned Archimedes, and maybe on his own time, he can spend some time. Right, I do the master class, and then during the week, Archimedes is a fun thing to do for math class, and his mom and his dad can help him find information about Archimedes. I also sent them some links, but we learn a whole lot more than just counting by sevens. So anyway, he figured out that one of these needed at least three of these to keep it from falling over. So then if he's going to put two, he has to put a whole lot more. So he decided that he would put a whole bunch of sevens on there so that he could build it and make it look even cooler. So there he is putting more sevens on. This fell down, I don't know, five, six times. So we had to count them every time. Every time we put them back on, count more. So we counted over and over again every time we're building. And he gets the idea. It was obviously a whole brain exercise using two hands, again, developing fine motor skills. Now, also, you get repetition because you count them over and over again 7, 14, 21, 28 as you're building. And you can see that these three, 21, right? These four, 7, 28. You can see it. Now, see, and it's fun when you build it, right? Okay, because it didn't fall over. He has enough counterweight, and he now has 28 on there, right? Four of them. And there's going to be more. And then there's going to be more. So we count just this part, where you have one, two, three, four, five, six blocks. That's 42. There's 39 altogether. Or no, wait, 36 because they don't have the three extra. There's no sevens in the bottom tray. So there is a 36 of them there because his mom bought four combo. Well, actually, no, four top trays. He has three top trays and a combo kit. So he has lots of blocks to play with, him and his brother, and or he and his brother. So they can play and count much more than just 9 or 12 sevens. Here is, you don't need 36, you only need 20 of them. But how many is 36 sevens? Well, that's 252. 210 plus 42 more. And then how much is half of that? And then, well, what if we just want to count 20 of them, etc.? Right? Or what if we just want to count this pile? All right, you play stuff, or excuse me, build stuff and count it. Play with purpose. Just the purpose of this one, obviously, is to learn sevens, but there's more that can be learned there than just multiplication. And you have a fun time doing it. And again, how many sevens towers? We're going to build this kind of sevens tower. Next time we'll build a different kind of sevens. And then maybe we'll make a wall out of sevens. And then, anyway, all kinds of different ways because variety is the spice of life. You don't want to do worksheets over and over again until they hate math. You want to play. And then once in a while, crack out a pencil and paper and write down the symbols for what you just did. But overall, you're playing blocks and having fun. All right, sevens. And this is the last one. You've already done twos, and if you want to know the order, ones and tens would be the first one you start with, and then twos and fives, and then after five, probably six would be good. A lesson on nines, you can watch other video on how easy nines are. And then, of course, if you're doing 2, 4, and 8, and then 3, 6, and 9, and then lastly, sevens. Because 7, you have to go all the way to 70 before it repeats and goes to 77. And then all the way to 140 before it repeats and goes to 147 at 21 sevens. But give them the experience so that they can play and have fun with their blocks. And they have seen now that 15 sevens is 105. And they've seen that 19 sevens is 133. They have experience with it. They play with it. They've held them in their hands. Kinesthetic learners not locked out, but visual and auditory learners loving it, having fun, right? Just playing math. All right, Crouton Ramon's House of Math.